Alright everybody, in today's video we're going to do some speed runs on this Kraton 6S Beast, which is basically stock. All it has is all the electronics, the motor and ESC was straight out of my Arrma Mojave 6S that we wanted to put in this EXP just to test it out. And here I'm going to be using these Liperiair 6S 6000 mAh lipos. Now these are 80C. You guys know on my channel I always run 100C. But I'm going to tell you, stay tuned, because I have a feeling that we're going to be very impressed with how well this Kraton is going to run. Alright guys, stay tuned and let's go out in the field and see you in a little bit.
Alright, we are fired up. We're going to take this Kraton 6S and let's see what kind of speed runs we could do. Let's go ahead and hit start. Alright, make sure she's picking it up. Very good. Alright, let's go and see what she can do. Oh. Yes, you landed it. Okay. Yeah, linear throttle, Vinny, and then ease into it. There you go. Nice. Yeah, you gotta ease into it. Okay, hold on. Let me let's check the speed of what you did on that one. We'll hit stop. Thought I hit stop. Oh, you gotta bring the truck closer to us so it can pick up the Bluetooth. Okay. Wait for the Bluetooth to pick back up. There we go. Hit stop. Read. 46. Not too bad. I know we could get a lot faster. Alright, when you go back out there, just go as slow as you can. That linear throttle is going to keep that thing on the ground from flipping. I did not hit start. We'll hit start. Just bump the throttle a little bit. Very good. When you're ready, go ahead. Oh, that's pretty good. Okay, now stick it on that backside and ease in the throttle. Let's try that again. Okay, try that again. Very good. Same thing on the way back. Ease into it about as slow as you can until you're full throttle. Nice flip, Vinny. Okay, so let's take this back over here so we can get a reading. All right, picked up, hit stop. Okay, we're gonna call this the final speed run, 47 miles an hour. I guess not too bad. So let's go ahead and take this out on the pavement. Okay, we're out on the pavement. I'm gonna hit start. Put the throttle a little bit, Vinny. There you go. All right, you want to go straight that way then? Go ahead when you're ready. No, you got to ease into it. Uh-oh. Oh. Hold on, guys. We're going to reset this one. Okay, we're going to go ahead and try that again. We'll just hit stop. He flipped, so he didn't go very fast. Yep. Okay, we'll hit start. She's reading. Yep, take her slow and then full throttle. Yes, good job, Vinny. That was a good run. All right, bring it back here nice and easy, and we're going to do one more pass like that and we'll make it official. So I think we could gear that thing up. All right, and that thing is a brute, isn't it? Okay, let's see what she did. Did we beat 47 miles an hour? Oh, come on, here we go. Stop. What's going on here? Okay. Did it lock up? Hey, it locked up, Vinny. Shoot. Oh, here we go. Whatever. See what she did. 55 mile an hour. What gear was that? The pinion? Do you remember what size pinion we put in there? Was it an 8/16?
It's the stock and then Mojave.
No, the stock. Okay. All right. What we're gonna do? We're gonna try that one more time, and then we'll get some POV footage. So we'll hit this. Go back here. Go to the track. Hit start. Very good. Now try that again, Vinny, and go slow like you did. And yes, good job, Vinny. I love it. Whoa, you went around that trailer?
No.
Oh, it looked like you did. Like, man, you did that like perfectionist. All right, let's bring it back. Let's see what we did, and we'll get some footage with the camera on. Yeah, what a brute. Probably should turn the braking down some, huh? Okay, we'll hit stop. Oh, you gotta bring it closer to this. There we go. Stop. I don't know why it's doing this. I'll go here, here. Probably gotta reset my phone. Okay, here we go. Stop. Then read. 55 mile an hour. Good. Okay. Okay. All right. All right, there you have it. We'll figure out the gearing. I'll post it up what the gearing actually is. I know it's got the stock spur gear. And yeah, stay tuned. Be right back.